Shopify B2B features. In this video, I'm going to be discussing with you about Shopify's self-business platform, okay, and it's called B2B. Now, Shopify B2B helps you do self-business with yourself, okay, and it helps you develop products by your own self, okay, so basically you're creating a business and creating products by yourself, okay. That's what B2B actually associates you with, and we're going to be talking about a few of its features. Now, Shopify B2B is actually a whole checklist of products to have for yourself, and it has great functionalities. So to start things off, you have a blended store. So basically you can build a blended store to serve both business customers and direct contact customers. So basically you could have clients, but also people that just show up to your store and want to buy something, okay? So that's a blended store. Then you have dedicated store. You can build an actual dedicated expansion store that only serves business customers. You have companies that represent B2B customers with a company profile that includes assigned contact permissions, payment terms, catalogs, and tax exemptions for yourself. All right. Moving on, you have catalogs where you can set customer specific catalogs or percentage off prices for all products and variants and assign catalogs to a company profile. You have custom price offered to B2B customers where you can set up catalogs and companies, and custom pricing will be offered when they log into their custom profile. All right. Then you have payment terms where you can automate the manual process of assigning payment terms to orders or to draft orders in the admin. You get a proper B2B checkout where customers can view their assigned payment terms, payment methods, and wholesale discounts at the time of purchase. All right. And you get B2B customer accounts to access wholesale information and catalog. And then finally, you have purchase order number. So you can add, edit, or view purchase order numbers or the detail pages for the B2B orders. So that's basically the B2B wholesale feature and all the functionalities that it provides you. And I hope you have got a good idea of what Shopify B2B is and it consists of. So do let me know down in the comments below how you plan on using Shopify's B2B features, and I will see you all in the next video. Drop down a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Goodbye.